Today we're going to show you how you can take your G82 M4 from sounding like this to this. If you thought that little sound clip in the beginning was impressive, then you'll want to stick around until the end where we really let it loose, courtesy of the full catback exhaust from Remus. With its full stainless steel construction and precision welds, this system was designed with two things in mind: to perform like a race system without all the unwanted attention. By design, it improves the flow of exhaust gases to properly regulate the backflow, which leads to a more efficient release in power that we acoustically interpret as the deep signature Remus sound. After all, the S58 is an incredible engine that deserves to be heard because your G chassis M3 or M4 was never meant to be a subtle car that you get groceries in. But with the stock exhaust system, it may seem as just that. So why not unlock your M car's full potential while adding about 10 horsepower with 14 foot-pounds of torque, while trimming off 12.5 pounds of unnecessary weight. After all, it is 50 state legal, as it's not an emissions-related part. But don't worry, if you want to slide in stealth mode every once in a while, because this system retains the factory valve system. This way you can adjust to any situation. Consider this not just a treat to yourself, but to those around you. Allow them to hear the legendary symphony of not just another BMW inline 6, but the ultimate driving machine that is the G82 M4.
Now, if you weren't completely blown away by this exhaust note, perhaps you'll want to compare it to another exhaust that we installed on a G80 M3 that you can check out right over here, as well as how you can control the exhaust flaps manually. And we'll see you in that one.